Every business owner wants a personalized and well-branded business, right? This is mainly because of authenticity, having the sense of ownership, and generally just standing out. Statistics show that 60% of the consumers are more likely to trust or approach a well-branded facility. I tell this story because with Ilara's HMIS, you're now able to customize all your facility receipts and have the flexibility to personalize the HMIS to your own liking. This is by selecting the payment methods to appear on your POS and also choosing the user roles and permissions. So, not only will you have the control in your hands, but also get to market your facility more with the brandings. Allow me to give you a brief tutorial on how to navigate around the facility configuration setup feature on our HMIS. In the organization settings, one can upload a new logo, add a payment method, and edit user roles and permissions. On clicking the organization settings feature, you're able to see the currently saved facility details, and one is able to edit any detail if needed. In this case, I'll use word as an example. There you go. The word has changed from Tebere to Nyangati, and once saved, the details will be updated in the system. Next, we have the logo section. You can be able to upload your personalized logo of the facility by just clicking on upload. Just like that, you're able to have your logo in place. On scroll, you're able to see the payment method section. In this section, you're able to view the existing payment method. These methods are visible in the point of sale. One can add a payment method whether it is an insurance company or any mobile money. So for this demo, I'll add Jubilee as a payment method. Make sure this toggle is activated for it to be visible on the point of sale. In case it's any mobile money that sends a code to the user, you can activate the transaction code toggle. And on confirm, the payment is successfully added onto the HMIS and you can view it here. Lastly, we have the organization roles and permissions, where an admin is able to customize a specific role and grant certain permissions. The admin is able to restrict the user from either viewing, editing, creating, and also archiving any patient information in the HMIS. Once an admin creates a staff and inputs their role, we already have the standard permission set for them. Example being, a cashier can't view a patient's encounter history or any lab investigation, but has access to the billing feature. This does not mean that as an admin, you cannot customize your own permissions. That is it for Ilara's HMIS organization settings tutorial. Now you know how to navigate around it. Try it out and let us know how it goes.